So bright as well as rain. May she will stay, resting in my arms again. Wishing her to rest while she proud tonight. To lie high she will fly. I give no warning to a flight. Long gust that she must. The autumn winds blow chilly and cold. September I'll remember. A loved one's near has now grown old. This old guitar taught me to sing a love song. It showed me how to learn and how to cry. It introduced me to some friend of mine and brighten up someday to help me make it through some lonely night. Oh, what a friend I had on a cold and lonely night. This old guitar gave me my lovely lady. It opened up her eyes and ears to me. It's brought us close together. I guess it has broke her heart. It opened up the space for us to be. What a lovely place, a lovely space to be. This old guitar gave me my life, my living. All the things you know I love to do. To serenade the sun that shine from the sunny mountainside. And most of all, to sing my song for you. I love to sing my song for you. Yes, I do, you know. I love to sing my song for you.